my name is Suhapriya Venkateshwaran.
My name is Paramveer Singh Sahi.
I'm Ravindra Jain.
My name is Soham Rane.
I have completed my computer engineering from this college.
I have just been passed out as a computer engineer.
The education provided to us is not just restricted to books.
It has improved my skills, creativity,
It is a platform where you can study.
enhances our skills, technique.
The life here is just, a big bang.
The life is awesome.
The bondings are really unbreakable ones.
The journey.
Hell lot of fun.
Feels great.
Bring out the best in you.
GVIT. It rocks, man.
The Leela Education Society, established in 2006 by the eminent Professor Manjunath Acharya, was the harbinger of a new beginning in the education sector.
At Leela Education Society, the emphasis is on imparting world-class quality education in all fields, particularly in engineering and management. This would provide the students a platform not only to engage in academics, but also experience the practical aspects of life.
Today, the Veeracharya Technical and Management Education Campus houses the SAV Acharya Institute of Management Studies and the GV Acharya Institute of Engineering and Technology, offering state-of-the-art education, the fields of management and engineering. The Leela Educational Society has two major institutes under its offering courses in the management and technological training. The SAV Acharya Institute of Management Studies, affiliated to the Mumbai University, offers a 2 years full-time MBA and MMS course with specialization in finance, marketing, human resource, information technology, and operations management.
We have expert faculty who are PhD holders, having rich experience from industry. We also provide SARFEX at our institution, giving mock interviews, personal interviews, and conducting various workshops for grooming overall development of our students.
The GV Acharya Institute of Engineering and Technology, approved by AICTE New Delhi, offers a wide variety of courses in the technological field. Students are given options in civil engineering, computer engineering, electronics and communication, information technology, and mechanical engineering to select as their specializations according to their interests.
What we want to do is, through internship and live projects, we exhort our students to interact with the industry, find out their problems, and come back with solutions that are practical and provide a real solution to the problems of the industry. We are almost at the center of the golden quadrangle of industrial belts of Mumbai, Thane, Pune, and Nasik.
The first advice we give to our students who enter into engineering college is during their inaugural address. There itself we emphasize that they are studying in an engineering college which is really required for industry outside. Therefore, the practical knowledge they get in the college within the labs, they must do it very sincerely. And during vacation, they must go to the industry and see the operations there. Some of the things that they learn in the college, they see applied in the industry. Then the interest in the subjects grow.
The education provided at the institution is most important in terms of national and social development. This helps in the progress of the individual student as well as the institution and overall progress of the whole nation.
Apart from the imparting education which matches the global education standards, the institute provides state-of-the-art facilities and infrastructures to its teachers and students.
We provide training to teachers and the professors by which they will be developing the skills.
As young teachers, this institute has provided us with tremendous space to experiment with our teaching skills.
We are free to propose our ideas, and that is tremendous boost to our confidence.
The faculty at GV Acharya Institute of Engineering Technology is highly qualified and experienced. I strive to get people from all the branches possible, which will be really doing some fundamental work in the research area as well as in the technological area.
Our infrastructure is equipped with quality mess, dining halls, and ultra-modern gyms. We have teachers residing at the hostels, which makes it easier for the students to interact with them. A well-equipped and Wi-Fi enabled library helps the students to gain the extra knowledge needed to expertise their field of study. Apart from these, the language lab and training center helps in improving the communication skills of the students. Our students have shown 100% results in the past years, and they continue to outdo themselves with every passing year.
We provide internship as well as final placements in the specialized areas of students' interest.
Possessing impeccable placement records by strong industry integration, the Institute brings top MNCs on one platform to provide our students with the best placement offers.
I'm placed into TCS, TPO, that is training and placement, wherein we were given training by the college. It was one of the best things that happened to me in the college. Going for TPO, that was the main reason for me getting placed into TCS.
In our campus, we are proud to say that we cater to all students right from KG to PG. We have the school, the junior college, the diploma section, engineering, as well as the postgraduate MBA, all situated in one campus. This helps the younger students to learn a lot from their older peers.
Life at Leela Education Society is about developing the wholesome personality of an individual, and therefore the Institute promotes and motivates its students to take part in extracurricular and cultural activities. The college holds an extravaganza of Indian traditional culture and sports, which includes cultural fiesta, techno management fest, and sports flair. The fest helps the students to interact with their teachers and fellow classmates outside the class environment. We also hold the annual Shri Shri Youth Festival, a national event blessed by His Holiness Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji, conceptualized with the aim to channelize energy and talent in youth. The event, entirely organized by the Student Council, has already acquired a cult status and is an eagerly awaited festival.
Our mission is to build inner strength, intellect and character to meet all challenges with courage and fortitude. We teach our students to have empathy for the environment and weaker sections of the society. I strongly believe that the students must be inculcated with the ability to take right actions at right time. Every student of mine must be able to deal with adverse conditions and accomplish the set goals. What are you waiting for? Come, join us.